Hey, welcome to our Freedom from Suffering Now blog. I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead. Today I want to talk about a topic that many people who are living with chronic pain need to learn more about, and it's how to find out if you're having a problem with your medication. So if you or someone you love is suffering with chronic pain and is on medication management, especially potentially addictive medication like the opiates, the benzodiazepines, something like that, then you might want to really check this video out. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please go to the link below to my Freedom from Suffering Now blog page, because on this page I'm offering you a red flags checklist that's easy to use, easy to score, and it really helps people determine whether they're in the green zone or the red zone. The green zone is it's safe, the red zone is uh-oh, problem, and then in the middle is the yellow zone. So I have all of these different red flags, several of them, and rated on a 1 to 10 scale, with some of the time, a lot of the time, most of the time, kind of scoring on a 1 to 10. And it's really important for people to take a look at some of the indicators that might mean there might be something that needs to be discussed with your pain management provider. You know, it's really a tragedy because a lot of people on potentially addictive medications get in trouble through no fault of their own. For some reason, there's some pre-existing history that didn't get talked about, or maybe the person was ashamed or embarrassed to talk about it. For people in recovery that have an injury, a medical condition, or something that requires medication, they might be afraid to talk to the provider because if they know they're in recovery, they might not give them something for their pain. But believe me, anybody living with chronic pain and on this type of medication should take precautions. You know, I was just looking through some research today preparing for an upcoming training I'm doing, and over the last several years there has been a lot more people getting in trouble with their prescribed pain medication. The numbers are really jumping a lot, triple in a 10-year period. So I don't want to see this happen to you or someone you care about. Or if you're working with somebody, if you're a healthcare provider and you're working with someone who is on this type of medication, please go to my blog page and download that. Or you can go to freedomfromsufferingnow.com to the resources page, and you'll see a place to send for your clean copy, PDF copy of a red flags checklist. I want to help people. I want to support people. I want to let people know that prevention is much better than intervention or crisis management. So part of the struggle is, how do you know you're having problems? Well, this checklist can help you figure that out. I hope that you'll use it, and also you'll notice if you're watching this on YouTube or if you're seeing this on my blog page, down at the bottom I have another instrument I use for people in recovery, and it's called Addiction-Free Pain Management Module 4, a guide for managing pain medication in recovery. This is a very low-cost instrument, and just go to the link below, check it out, see if it's something that you or someone you care about might benefit from. It's really important to have good tools. The more tools you have, the more likely you will have safe and effective chronic pain management, because I believe people need to be free from suffering. And sometimes people need to be on appropriate medication management. So today has been all about looking for red flags. I hope this was helpful for you, and please let me know if there's any other topics you'd like me to present. Thank you very much, and as always, onward and upward.